if you haven't seen part 1, here's one thing you need to know. Atmosphere is not style, not a trend, not something you buy. It's the quality that makes you walk into a room and feel something before you understand anything. Most homes, even beautiful, well-decorated ones, don't have it. Part 1 covered what atmosphere is: color, light, scent, texture, and that 60-second exercise. Does this room know who you are? Part 2 is a real home, a real person, and a decision that she made that changed everything. Her name is Lynne. Lynne didn't downsize because she wanted to. She did it because life asked her to start over. The house was smaller, older, in the neighborhood she always wanted. She made a decision most people never make. She decided the house mattered more than the stuff. She kept only what she loved, and she let go of the rest. And what she built is one of the most atmospheric spaces I've ever walked into. That's what part 2 is about. Nobody tells you about downsizing. The edit is the design. Most people treat editing as a loss, making do, settling. Lynne didn't. She didn't ask, what can I fit? She asked, what do I love? Completely different questions. One is logistical, the other is curatorial. When every object in a home was chosen, not kept by default, not tolerated, you feel it the moment you walk in. Smaller homes make this easier, not harder. You can't hide behind square footage. Every choice is on display. The smaller home doesn't limit you. I think it holds you accountable. Small spaces have a reputation problem. We treat them like a compromise. They're not. They're a prompt. Good function is not separate from soulful living. It is soulful living. In Lynne's home, we went vertical, not because we ran out of options, because vertical draws the eyes up, makes the room feel taller, and creates hierarchy. What matters at eye level, everything else above or below. Think of it like a painting. The most important elements sit right in the center. The supporting elements frame it. Your storage should work the same way. Large spaces let you be lazy. Small spaces, they make you sharp. I'm going to defend open shelving. Stay with me. Yes, there's dust. The internet has been right about that. Here's what they're missing. Open shelving is where you practice discipline. Closed cabinets hide things. Open shelves make things live. In Lynne's home, the shelves hold family heirlooms, not styled props, not matching ceramics, actual objects with history. One of them is her grandmother's small chinoiserie vase from overseas, placed exactly at eye level so you can't miss the story behind it. Those objects do something no styled shelf can replicate. They make the room breathe. The rule is simple. If you wouldn't be comfortable with the guest looking directly at it, it doesn't belong on an open shelf. Edit until everything visible is something you'd be proud to explain. We talk about color, texture, and light. We rarely touch on memory. Lynne's heirlooms aren't decorative. They're rational. They connect her present home to her personal history. It costs nothing. No renovation required. Stop treating your grandmother's vase like a problem. Start treating it like the irreplaceable object it actually is. Mass-produced objects, they fill a space. Objects with memory create a place. Space is a square footage. A place is where you actually live. I've walked into a lot of homes, expensive ones that felt like nothing, modest ones that felt like everything. Lynne's is the second kind. What it confirmed, atmosphere is never about what you add. It's about the relationships between what you keep and how you keep it. She kept what she loved, displayed it with intention, thought creatively about function. Let the house be what it was. The result? A home that knows who she is. You know that question from part 1, does this room know who you are? Lynne's Homes answers it in every single room. Not a particular style, not a particular budget. A home that is unmistakably, specifically, unapologetically hers. We have a lot of exciting videos coming, and I want them to be useful to you. Tell me in the comments, what rooms are you stuck on right now? What decisions do you keep putting off? What questions about your home has no one in your life been able to answer? I read every single comment. The topics that come up most become the next episodes. This series exists because of that conversation. Keep it going. If this episode helped you see your home differently, share it with someone whose home deserves the same. I'll see you on the next one.